Hi friends, welcome back to SK solution. In this tutorial I am going to teach you how to prepare 2D drawings for manufacturing in Autodesk Inventor software. So here I already made 3D modeling. In this part I will do 2D drawings for manufacturing. For that select Ctrl N. In the SK folder I have already made some empty templates, so otherwise you can click here metric. Here all the drawing templates are there. Which template you want, you can click here. So I will select my template, create. See, I already opened the model and again I will open the drawing. Then just click the right mouse button, click the base view. This is the front view. I need one more view for show the another dimension, side dimensions. Click side or top and click ISO view. Okay. So I will remove this side view. So ISO view, I will increase the scale size. Start with dimensions, select annotate, select dimension. First give the base dimensions. Base dimension is 100 mm and height is 45. Then start from one side, from here to here. Dimension is 20 mm. This is 15. This is 30. This is also 15. Realign the dimensions. What else remaining in this front view? Give this height. Friends, this is the basic 2D drawing. In the upcoming drawings I will show you GD&T, tolerances, everything. Please don't miss my all videos. So in the front view all the dimensions are covered. In the top view I need only one dimension, that is width of the job, 40 mm. Give the view name, friends. Front view. This is top view. This is ISO. That's it, friends. In this job only, this is basic job only, I am again telling you. In the upcoming videos definitely I will do all critical jobs. So how they will manufacture? First they will cut the raw material size. That size is 100 by 45 and 40 mm. Then they will start this angle machining 20 mm both side. After that they will do center cutout, that is from the base 20 mm height. Here also 15 side dimensions, 30 mm is the width of the object. So if you want, we can increase the scale also. So I will select this 2:1 and I will reduce this. Like this you can increase the scales. All the dimensions should align neatly, friends. Then only your drawing will look good. So for basic dimensions we can remove these zeros. For tolerance dimensions we required 2-digit zeros, so otherwise we can remove the zeros. Select manage, select style editor. Here see, here we can remove these zeros. Now only numbers, because this is the basic part, we don't require any tolerances on this. So in the upcoming videos I will show you how to give the tolerance, GD&T, everything. So that's it, friends, today's session. I hope you like this session, and also I am requesting you to please do subscribe my channel and support me.